Hi, in front of me is Oukitel C33 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, click on While Using and Allow in all pop-ups. Then close Launcher app and go into Devices Settings. In them, you need to click on Apps section. Scroll down just a bit, select Default Apps, and tap on Home App. Finally, to apply iOS Launcher, click on it over here. Tap on Got It. And now, as you can see, when I check, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, go into exactly the same default apps settings and tap on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!